Hello friends, I am Abdul Ghani, welcomes you on my channel Crypto Exchange. In this video, I will discuss you a very lovely project named Lovely Inno Finance. In this video, I will show you actually what's the project is all about and what is the roadmap and what will they want to achieve in the future. As you go through the website, you will see a logo, very lovely logo, a heart which is showing in front of you. This is a Binance Chain smart contract project. You can buy this lovely Inno tokens from the Binance Smart Chain because this project is associated and linked to the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, as you see here, this project is already listed on very large exchange, as you can see here on the website Bitmart, PancakeSwap, Hotbit, La Tokens, BKEX, P2B, P2B, and other Indo exchange. So as you can see that how much the potential this project have, because it is already listed on so many exchange. If you count it, it is around 8 exchange which is already listed. So you can assume that this project have some capability to reach the vast audience. If they are planning to launch on other exchange, major exchange like Binance and the KuCoins in Hubei, and in India it is planning to list on the WazirX. So you can see in the future that this project will launch on many other exchange, due to which you can see there are number of holders increases as it will planning to launch the website. As you are seeing on this website, they are already listed on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and other all data monitoring website from which you can get all the information which is required before investing any tokens. So you can also search this lovely new tokens on the CoinMarketCap also. As you can see that this is the contract address through which you can track the lovely progress on the smart chain. I will show you later in this video. Before analyzing this token, the main attractive point of this project, they are planning to achieve a very special mark, $1 in the end of 2021, for which they are executing the task. You can also see on their website that you can apply your ELO on their website, apply for the list, apply for the audit, and the product for which you can obtain from their website, that lovely swap, from there you can exchange your tokens which is already on the Binance to other tokens. And lovely launchpad, from where you can see there are 3 projects already launched: the Dr. Skull, Hideous token, and Humpo token. 3 on ELO project launched successfully from their launchpad, or they are planning to a very special game, casino games, and their own wallet from where you can store your cryptocurrency assets, and they are planning to launch their own exchange from where you can buy or sell the tokens like PancakeSwap. Okay, as you can see that this is lovely finance telegram group, from where you can see the number of members are there is 1 3 4 5 6 2 members around. Okay, so you can see that how much potential this have, because already the number of person involved in this project is very high as compared to other project which is in very initial stage. So you can go there and ask any type of question which is comes in your mind before investing. The admin will answer you very quickly and shortly. You can also follow them on the Twitter page. So there are already 13K followers already there, which indicate that it is very high potential project. It will definitely give you a huge amount of return when if you invest in this initial stage of this project. We are just scan it, BSC scan, where you can see the number of holders are there. Lovely Finance, you can see there are 47269 47k holders already participated and hold the Lovely Unu Finance token, and that amount, the total supply of this token is very less as compared to other meme project. It is only 55 trillions, you can see there. And the number of holders is also very interesting. If they will be able to acquire the huge amount of investor involved in this project, then you can see a price for which they are dedicated to achieve can be obtained very easily. You can see there the holders position. Number one is the owner of the company or the deployer, the other is Hotbit exchange, from where you can see there are around 14% of token accumulations, and also the Pancake is on 13 number rank, and you can see there are a lot of liquidity locked in that. So you can easily buy and trade on the Pancake Swap. If you want to trade on other exchange like other centralized exchange, you can also buy from that. But Pancake Swap is decentralized exchange, you can easily buy or sell as much as you can. You can also verify on CoinMarketCap. You can also see there the CoinMarketCap, which is a global website through which you can easily track what's the process is going on, all the activities, all the contract address, their website, their BSC score, all things are there. If you track the chart, you can also follow them, and the statics is also there. So you can easily get the desired information you want before investing. So I think this is a good project in which you can spend or invest the amount as much as you can. Thank you very much for this video. Jai Hind.